My name is Dominique Poncelet, and I teach 8th grade at Southeast Middle School in Oklahoma City. I'd like to share a strategy I use when there's a guest teacher in my classroom. This assignment asks students to review our driving question board. This strategy requires minimal prep and can be used with any unit, maybe even twice within a unit if needed. Let's take a look. This handout has 3 sections to guide students in the task. In the first section, students physically get up and visit the driving question board in our classroom. The goal is really to evaluate the questions and aim to find 3 that we fully answered or at least partially answered. By thinking more about the driving question board, we really keep the storyline coherent from the student perspective. It's also a chance to remind students of the questions that they had and the wonderings that maybe they've forgotten about. And it shows progress we're making through all of our investigations. In this second section of the assignment, students pick one question they can fully answer. So they really have to consider the evidence that they've gathered up until this point. And finally, in the third section of the assignment, students construct a written argument or explanation. Here, they're really getting good practice at using the evidence we've collected. I really like this assignment because it can be collaborative, but it also shows a lot of diversity of thought because students tend to gravitate to different questions. I think they lean into the questions that have the most interest for them. This is also great because it can bring back up related phenomenon and how much we can actually explain about related phenomenon now. Just another chance to show how much we're actually figuring out. So if you need a quick sub assignment that's great for kids and good for you as the teacher, I'd suggest try reviewing your driving question board.